If you already own a couple of properties and you're stuck at getting your third because of serviceability, that's only going to get worse now because interest rates are actually going up. So if you're stuck at 2 and you've got no more serviceability, why don't you consider selling one? Because what you need to do is put each property into a different entity. Now, it was easy to lump all of your properties under your own personal name and do all of that. Now, that was pre-GFC. It's been a long time since we've been able to do that, but you need to buy each property in a separate entity. And that's the only way to be able to buy unlimited properties, providing you can chip in the equity at each property purchase. Each property also, just on that, needs to wash its own face, so it needs to cover its own expenses. That way, you can buy literally unlimited properties. There's an unlimited borrowing capacity if you keep doing it that way. So just to recap, buy properties in separate entities. That way you're not maxing your serviceability. And each entity, when you buy under a new entity, the bank, the lender will assess the application under that one entity only, or your serviceability, providing that the other properties, the other entities can cover their own expenses.